Hello everyone, so this is part 2 of trying to land my slicer's OrcaSlicer to talk to Bambu Lab, which stands on another VLAN. So last time we did a fake SSDP Python script, and that enabled us to be able to talk with our printer after sending a fake signal to our OrcaSlicer. So this time we're trying to do it in a more proper way, because we're going to use PFSense or OPNSense and install the plugin and forwarded our SSDP signal from the printer to the OrcaSlicer. So you will obviously need your OrcaSlicer, and you also need a flavor of your router, such as OPNSense or PFSense. I'm not sure if Ubiquiti Dream Machine can do this, but your mileage may vary. You can probably ask on some forums. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to do with what I have, which is OPNSense. So first, we want to go to our OPNSense dashboard, and we want to search for a plugin called udpbroadcastrelay. So this is the name, UDP broadcast relay. So we want to click on this to install it. I already have it installed. Now we want to go to our services, and second from the bottom we have UDP broadcast relay. We want to create a new entry by create an add button, but I already have this. We can just click on edit so you can see what I have. You want to make sure you enable this, and the relay port is 2021. Bambu Lab is using a non-conventional SSDP port, so we're going to follow their standard. You want to have the two relays interface selected, so my main LAN will be on the LAN interface, and the print will be where my Bambu Lab printer is. And next we have a broadcast address. This is the address that they always uses, so this one never changes. And the source address, originally I was using my printer address, but that one didn't work, and I found a forum post and he's using 1.1.1.2, and that's what I used, and it eventually worked. So that's what I'm going to just follow him. And instance ID, just give it a random non-conflicting number. I'm starting with 1. And this part, I'm not sure if this is required or is this, I can uncheck this, but I just leave it checked for now. And description, just give it a meaningful description. Click on save. And now we also want to create a new firewall rule from the print VLAN into our main VLAN. So go to firewall, we go to rules, and we go to print. And here you see I have one single firewall entry that's coming from the print onto LAN address, which is my main LAN. So let's go to edit. The action will be for pass, and then interface, it will be on the current interface, which is print. It will always be in, and we want to use UDP only. And the source will be coming from the print interface, as well as the destination for main LAN address. And the destination port will be 2021 only. We don't want anything else, just 2021 for discovery, and everything else can stay the same. And click on save on this one, and then now we have finished configuring everything in OPNSense. Now let's open up a instance of OrcaSlicer. Let me drag it from my second screen. So in devices, we can click and it will show up on here. If it doesn't show immediately, just give it a second or two, around like 5 seconds. Eventually it will show up because it's not constantly pushing the signal. It's doing it periodically. So we can click on this and eventually it should connect. Okay, now that's connected. We can view the stream. And now we can view the stream and everything should be good to go. This is still a little bit more troublesome than what we have for cloud connection, which is you don't have to even mess with this part. For our local LAN connection, we have to click on it, select the device that we want to connect every single time we want to open up OrcaSlicer. But this is still an improvement from the fake SSDP Python script. So if you have control over your router, or if you have control over your router, then this will definitely be the way to go. This is way easier and more proper way of handling it. But if you're on a network where you don't have control over your router, then the fake SSDP will still be able to work for you. So that's it for this video. Just thought I would provide an update on a proper way to set up the network and use your printer all localized. Thank you.